We're continuing with the construction of our module. Template overview. This time, let's look at how to use construction templates during the design process. Templates that may have been prepared in advance and now come in handy within the context of our project. The metal frame has already been designed, and it's clear that the middle section needs to be filled with a standard module. This module might be slightly modified, differ from the standard version, and its interior can be populated with other standard components like drawers, shelves, or similar elements. We will walk through how to handle this using Woodwork for Inventor. Cabinet placement and assembly setup. At this point, we need to place a cabinet in the center. Its body is based on a template, which will adapt slightly to achieve the final result. Before moving forward, let's hide any unnecessary elements so we're left with just the frame. This frame defines the space where the cabinet will fit. We start by extruding the cabinet body into place. First, it's defined as a new solid body, then extended to the required length. We name it Cabinet and move it into the woodworking assembly using the Make Components command. In this case, we're sending it to Wood of Block 2. Skeleton and panel creation. Next, using the Insert function in Woodwork for Inventor, we find the right template and insert it into the block. We define the front face and attach it to the appropriate side. Then, we open the Cabinet for Block 2 skeleton and ask the system to add an 18mm panel through the central plane. That partition gets adjusted using the Direct tool. On one side, we had a shelf positioned at a height of 320mm. The shelf is then trimmed to fit the cabinet body in the reference guide. Drawer configuration. After hiding the skeleton, we begin creating the block. The top drawer is offset 20mm from the top. We configure uneven spacing. The bottom drawer sits 10mm from the bottom and has a height of 180mm. The remaining drawers are all the same height. We align the drawer edges, making sure the gaps between them are 20mm. At this stage, we create a parameter named distance between drawers, which we'll use later. Once done, we finish the sketch. Drawer insertion and patterning. Using the Extrude tool, we generate a new solid. The skeleton is made visible again. And we use the Insert tool to add the first drawer. It's positioned correctly inside the cabinet, and we repeat the process to insert the second drawer. To finish the drawer setup, we use the Pattern Component tool. Since all of the remaining drawers are identical, we use the first as a reference. We set a total of 3 drawers, spaced using the earlier defined distance between drawers parameter. Next, we convert the drawer parts into components and assign materials. If needed, we can also adjust the grain direction. Hardware and final details. Lastly, we add the remaining hardware using the attach function. Hinges are placed 100 millimeters from both the top and bottom. We temporarily hide the doors to make hinge placement easier. Then, we add shelf holders in the right spots. Followed by conformat-type screws. Finally, we restore the visibility of all components and place the decorative handles.